transform your side hustle into a thriving business. Feeling stuck in the daily grind? Imagine transforming your side hustle into a full-time dream job where your passion fuels your income and personal fulfillment. It's not just a fantasy. Many have made the leap, and you can too. Turning a side hustle into a full-time business is an exciting venture. It involves nurturing a passion project alongside your regular job until it can sustain you independently. This path offers the freedom to pursue what truly excites you. A side hustle refers to any activity outside your main job that earns you money. In today's economy, it's crucial as it provides a financial safety net and an opportunity to explore new interests or industries. The benefits of having a side hustle are immense. It offers extra income, the chance to develop new skills, and a flexible schedule. These advantages can make your life richer and open doors to unexpected opportunities. Finding passion in your side hustle is essential. When you genuinely enjoy what you do, it doesn't feel like work. This enthusiasm can drive you to invest the time and energy needed to turn your side project into a thriving business. Evaluating the financial viability of your side hustle is crucial. Analyze your current income streams, expenses, and potential profitability. Ensure your venture can cover personal and business expenses before making it your primary source of income. Conducting thorough market research is essential to ensure demand for your product or service. Identify your target audience, study competitors, and analyze industry trends. This research will guide your strategy, helping you avoid costly mistakes. Setting clear goals is vital for success. Define what you aim to achieve with your side hustle using specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound criteria. These goals will keep you focused and motivated throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Creating a solid business plan is fundamental. Outline your business model, budget, marketing strategy, and growth projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping you secure potential funding or partnerships. Transitioning to a formal business structure involves understanding legal requirements. Register your business, obtain necessary licenses, and consider tax implications. These steps ensure your business operates legally and protects your personal assets. Building a support system is crucial for any budding entrepreneur. Networking allows you to connect with like-minded individuals who can offer advice and share experiences. Finding a mentor provides guidance and can help you avoid common pitfalls, accelerating your success. Balancing a full-time job with a side hustle requires effective time management. Prioritize tasks and set specific time slots for your side hustle each day. Utilize productivity tools to keep track of deadlines and commitments, ensuring both jobs receive the attention they deserve. Before leaving your full-time job, it's wise to establish a financial cushion. Save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net gives you peace of mind and flexibility as your business grows and stabilizes. Customer feedback is invaluable for refining your product or service. Regularly seek out opinions and suggestions from your audience and be open to criticism. Use this feedback to make improvements, ensuring your offering meets customer needs and expectations effectively. Scaling your operations requires strategic planning. Start by identifying processes that can be automated or outsourced. Gradually increase your production or service capacity while maintaining quality. Monitor growth closely to ensure your business can handle increased demand without compromising customer satisfaction. Investing in marketing is crucial for reaching a broader audience and establishing your brand presence. Effective marketing strategies can propel your side hustle into the spotlight, attracting potential customers and generating buzz. Prioritize social media, content creation, and targeted advertising. Leveraging technology and tools can streamline operations, making your business more efficient. Affordable software solutions for accounting, project management, and customer relationship management can save time and reduce errors. Embrace digital innovations to maintain a competitive edge and enhance productivity. Evaluating risks is essential for a smooth transition. Identify potential challenges and develop strategies to mitigate them. Whether it's financial instability or market competition, being prepared with contingency plans can safeguard your business and ensure long-term success. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is vital during the transition. Allocate time for relaxation and personal activities to avoid burnout. Prioritize self-care, establish boundaries, and manage stress effectively to sustain both your personal life and professional aspirations. Sharing success stories of others who have transitioned can inspire and motivate you. These stories provide valuable insights and practical advice, demonstrating that turning a side hustle into a full-time career is achievable with dedication, persistence, and strategic planning. Before making the leap, ensure you're financially prepared, have a solid business plan, and a strong support network. Confirm demand for your product or service, refine your marketing strategy, and have backup plans for potential risks. You're now ready to transform your side hustle into your full-time dream job. Subscribe for more expert tips and share your journey with others in the comments. Your success story could inspire countless aspiring entrepreneurs to follow their dreams.